Hello everyone and welcome back for a colorful lesson. Today's French lesson is all about colors, how to use them as noun and as adjectives. I think it's a perfect lesson to end August. I know many of you are busy with back to school and everything, so easy lesson it is. This is going to be a short lesson, but I do have a free PDF for you. If you want to download it, the link will be in the description box and in my first comment. If you are subscribed to my newsletter, the PDF is already in your inbox. So let's start talking about colors. Like I said, colors in French can be used as nouns or as adjectives. They are masculine when used as nouns, but when they are adjective, they agree in gender and number with the noun. I will explain everything once we get to it. Let's start by the easiest, which is French colors as nouns. Colors in French are always masculine, as I said, so they could be technically preceded by le, which is the. It's the article for masculine noun in French, or one of the articles. But we usually list them by themselves. That's just the way we do it. So here are the colors. We have beige, beige, blanc, blanc, bleu, bleu, marron, marron, gris, gris, jaune, jaune, noir, noir, orange, orange, rose, rose, rouge, rouge, vert, vert, and violet, violet. Let's see a few examples. Le bleu est ma couleur préférée. Le bleu est ma couleur préférée. So here we use le. Le bleu est ma couleur préférée. Le jaune te va très bien. Le jaune te va très bien. Tu aimes ce gris? Tu aimes ce gris? J'aime bien le blanc, mais je préfère le beige. J'aime bien le blanc, mais je préfère le beige. So that was for colors when they are nouns. Now, French color when they are adjectives. So when colors are adjectives in French, like I said, they agree in gender and number, beside two main exceptions, which are orange and marron. I will come back to them after we've seen the whole table of adjectives. So I'm going to disappear from the screen so you can see all the colors, but basically we are going to have masculine singular, feminine singular, masculine plural, and feminine plural. So technically each adjective has 4 different forms, but not all of them will change. Let's see the first one. We have beige, 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 beige. As you can see, feminine and masculine plural are the same, as well as the two plural are the same as well. But if you look at blanc, we have blanc, blanche, blanc, blanche. Here they are all different. So basically, when an adjective ends with e, like beige, usually its form are more regular and they don't change as much, while others ending with C, for example, or another vowel or another consonant will change more. So now bleu, 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 bleu. Marron, 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 marron. This one, as I said before, does not change when when it's an adjective. And then we have gris, grise, gris, grise. Jaune, 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 jaune. Noir, 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 noir. Orange, 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 orange. Rose, 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 rose. Rouge, 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 rouge. Vert, verte, vert, verte. Violet, violette, violet, violette. So as you can see, they all change in different forms mostly, but marron and orange do not change because they come from a noun. So une orange, an orange, un marron, a chestnut. Because of that, they don't agree in gender and number when used as adjective. It's just one of these rules, you know? So adjective of colors in French are always placed after the noun. So we have une maison blanche, une maison blanche, un pull gris, un pull gris, des bouteilles vertes, des bouteilles vertes, des savons noirs, des savons noirs, une fleur rouge, une fleur rouge. And that's it. That was an easy, short, and colorful lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be back next Wednesday with a lesson about 100 French sentences that you can use every day. Very useful. If you don't always want to wait a week for a new lesson, do you know that you can subscribe to my French word of the day? Every day you get an email with a new French word of the day, 5 sentences. I record 5 sentences. I also record the pronunciation of the word alone. And there's always, I would say 99% of the time, an extra lesson. So if it's a verb, I give you its full conjugation. If it's a preposition, I add a lesson about preposition and stuff like that. So I always keep you learning every day, every day, every day. It's up to you. I will have the link in the description box if you want to subscribe to it. It's totally free. So that's all for today. À mercredi prochain.